boat and stream. We have already finished some questions and we'll move towards question number 5. Let me know. Okay, this one. Good evening. Chalo, we have already started. All of you know. Just come to the question that is on your screen. Take 30 seconds to solve this question. We'll discuss. In 10 hours, Mayur rose 30 kilometer upstream. So Mayur is going 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream and 44 kilometer downstream. Sorry. 44 kilometer downstream. Upstream, that is B minus C. Downstream is B plus C. Speed, distance upon speed, time. Okay. Also, he travels 40 kilometer upstream. 40 kilometer upstream, B minus C. And 55 kilometer downstream. And 55 kilometer downstream. In 13 hours, what is the speed of boat in still water? Okay. This is B plus C. Now it takes 13 hours. This take 10 hours. Basic. First we'll see the basic concept and then we'll move towards quick calculation. Then we'll move towards quick calculation. 1 upon B minus C will assume as X. 1 upon B plus C will assume as Y. Basic calculation, school method. 30x plus 44y is equal to 10 and 40x plus 55y is equal to 30. Now considering this, we'll multiply this equation 1 by 4 and this will by 3. So it becomes 120x plus 176y is equal to 180. Is equal to 40. 10 into 4, 40. 13 3 is 39. Okay. 120x and multiply by 3, 165y. Subtracting this, you will get 11y is equal to 1. So what is y is equal to? 1 upon 11. But what is y? 1 upon b plus c is equal to 1 upon 11. Same way, we'll find out x. Since we know what is y, 1 upon 11. 120x plus 176y. Y is what? 1 upon 11 is equal to 40. 120x plus 16 is equal to 40. 120x is equal to 40 minus 16 is 24. So x is equal to 24 upon 120, that is 1 upon 5. X is 1 upon 5. But what is X? X is B plus 1 upon B plus C. 1 upon B plus C is equal to 1 upon 5. Now, X is X is B minus C. X is B minus C. 1 upon B minus C is equal to 1 upon 5. Now here we know, calculating this, you will get B plus C is equal to 11. B minus C is equal to 5. Cancelling C, 2B is equal to 16. B is equal to 8. Speed of boat in still water is 8 km/h. Your answer is option number B. Note it down. Try to find out. Yes, clear? If it is clear, say yes. We'll move ahead with shortcut method. We'll solve it by shortcut method, but you note it down the correct method, that is lengthy method, traditional method, school method. If it is clear, say yes. We'll move ahead. Okay, now we'll move towards a short trick method. Upstream 30 km and downstream 40 km. Upstream 40 km, downstream 55 km. Now think and tell me, these both numbers are divisible by which number? 44 and 55 are divisible by which number? 11. So B plus C, keep in mind 11. And 30 and 40 both are divisible by 10 and 5. Both are divisible by 10 and 5, but I will not take 10. I will take 5. So B and C, what number plus what number gives you 11? What number plus minus what number gives you 5? 8 plus 3 gives me 11. 8 minus 3 gives me 5. So speed of boat is 8. Clear? Clear? ऐसे सॉल्व करना है. This is the trick.